morning, everyone. How are you? Do you remember the last class? No. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay, the vocabulary. Repeat after me, okay? The first one, please. Next, please. Please. Next. Ice cream. Next. Bread. Next. Hot. Next. Soup. Next, please. Banana. Pineapple. Hamburger or burger. Juice. Next, please. Okay. Next lesson, please. And repeat sound.
Well guys, so today we are going to talk about, as you can see in the video, about likes and dislikes. And so to start, we say I like to express something that is good for you, that you enjoy. For example, in my case, I like pizza. To express that something isn't good for you, that you don't enjoy, we use the auxiliary verb don't. For example, I don't. Remember the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, I don't like grapes. And to make a question, as you can see in the video, first we use the auxiliary verb do. After the auxiliary verb, we put the subject, for example, do you, and the verb like. For example, do you like apples? And to answer, you can say, yes, I do, yes, I like, or no, I don't, when you don't enjoy. So, the idea is that you listen in the video and repeat the questions and the answers.
Do you like spaghetti? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do I like yogurt? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like spaghetti yogurt? I don't. Yucky. Do you like cookies? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like salad?
No, I don't. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Perfect. Next.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cookie salad? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like tomato pancakes? No, I don't. Yummy.
Alright guys, we're going to do an activity called Guess the Fruit. Okay guys, please align. Please.
My God, guys, please.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. We have different pictures containing fruits or food, and the idea is each student will take turns, and your turn is you can come to the front and choose or select a flashcard and create a different sentence using the yes I like, or I don't like. Clear? Okay. Okay. Teacher.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yeah. What Yoki means? Joking. What is the joke?
To well done.
Moment. Okay. Okay. One. Select. Question.
Tell me,
We need to write all the sentences like I like and I don't like, or we need to write just one.
No, you just have to respond. For example, if you choose the flashcard of cherries, Nicolas is going to ask you, Alejandra, do you like cherries? And you only have to say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Thank you.
So I have to make a question. Sushi.
Okay. One. Do you like sushi?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
You
Vale.
can
Select
do
your
that.
question. No. Beer. Repeat after me. Beer.
Here.
Do you like beer?
Yes, I like.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yours? Aleja. Select a flashcard. Repeat after me. Chicken.
Chicken.
Do you like chicken?
I don't.
Duki.
Why?
Because I don't like the how it smell and how
Okay.
Something bad.
how it smell.
No.
One. Select a flashcard.
Cherries. Juan, do you like cherries?
No, I don't. No, I don't. Sit down.
You can say that.
Maria Jose, select a flashcard. Taco. Do you like taco? Why?
Remember that you can say yes I do or yes I like tacos.
Yes, I like tacos.
Good job.
Pablo. Blueberry.
Blueberries.
Repeat after me. Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Do you like blueberries?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
One. Pizza. Pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Perfect.
Jenny.
Strawberry. Repeat after me. Strawberry. Strawberry. Do you like strawberry? Okay. Santiago. Pizza, burger.
Burger.
Or hamburger.
Hamburger.
Do you like burger?
Yes.
Okay.
Jose.
Salad. Do you like salad?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Kevin. Cherry.
Cherries or burrito? Cherries. Repeat after me. Cherries.
Cherries, maybe.
Do you like cherries?
Yes, I do.
Apple. Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Pineapple. Pineapple. Do you like pineapple?
I hate pineapple.
Oh my God. No.
Orange. Do you like orange?
Yes, I do like orange.
Okay. And finally, lady. Do you like some? I don't like.
I don't like the soup.
I don't like. Okay.
Well, guys, this is.
Thank you for your attention.